Good morning, student. I'm now online. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying the learning from home. It is part 2 of the chapter Super Senses of Class 5. In the part 1, we have learned about different senses. We got interesting facts on sense organs of animals. We also discussed how did the ant recognize a friend. I gave you 4 questions on the activities on ants, few new words. I also gave you different questions on different senses. Now, in this video, we will learn about sense of smell. See these two images. This is the paragraph of NCERT. The title is Why So? I am reading the paragraph. Now you read also. The paragraph is Today, Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. Sushila also has a baby of the same age. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta. In short, in this paragraph, the writer wants to tell why someone feel dirty smell. It is due to our make-up of mind. We have already seen some children collecting materials for dirty garbage and do not find it bad because the mind makes up according to the situations. These are few questions. These questions are Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? And the second is how do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. I am also giving you the answer. Write it. See it in page number 5. These are the answer of those questions. Now come to page number 6. See the picture of birds and read 2 questions. Wow, birds are flying. Very nice. Now, in NCERT, the paragraph is written on birds and their movements of eyes and bodies. I am reading it. Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on 2 different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. The second, you must have seen birds moving their neck very often. Do you know why? In most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move, so birds have to turn their heads to see around. In short, we can say that some of the birds have their eyes on both sides of head and some birds move their neck very often. Some birds' eyes are fixed. Now, solve these questions. Write the name of birds which has eyes in front of its head, like in humans. Second, write the names of some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. What is the size of their eyes as compared to the size of their head? Now, come to page number 7. I am giving you 3 questions with answers. Write clearly in your notebook and you should take help from the paragraph of NCERT. Now, can you tell the answer of this question? It is really very interesting question. Do animals see colors? Wow, this animal is clapping. Now solve these questions. These are the questions that you have to write with the help of page number 7, 8 and 9. The question is the names of 10 animals whose ears can be seen. The second, the names of some animals whose ears are bigger than our ears. Third, put your hands over your ears and say something. Can you hear your own voice? And the fourth is sit near a desk, tap the desk once with your hand. Listen carefully. Now put your ear on the desk as shown in the picture. Tap on the desk once again with your hand. Listen again. Was there any difference in the sound of the tap? Now, the title is Sound Send Messages. See the picture of dolphin. Oh ho! Dolphin is dancing. Do you know? Dolphin also make different sounds to give messages to each other. Scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. Now solve this question, but here I have already written the answer, so make a note. Now see this question from page number 10. Can you understand the sound of some animals? Which animals? Second, do some animals understand your language? Which ones? Third, have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see only lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? The answer? Yes, I can understand the sound of few animals like dog, cow, cat, horses, etc. The second answer is yes, some pet animal like dog, cow, ox, horse, parrot, etc. can understand our language and body language. And the third answer is yes, I have noticed it. I think to protect themselves from cold, they should be shifted to some safe places. Next, see the picture. Beautiful picture of sloth. Very nice. Sloth. It looked like a bear, but is not. It is a sloth. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branch. The sloth eats the leaves on the same tree on which it lives. It hardly needs anything else. When it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, it moves to the nearby tree. In short, we must know that there is a big difference between bear and sloth. The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. You should not get confused about bear and polar bear. Bears are big, strong, and fast. They can walk a short distance on their hind legs. Now, page number 12. See the natural image of tigers. I am reading some of the important facts of tiger. The first, a tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us. The second, the tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense the movement or vibration in air. They help the tiger move in the dark and find its prey. Each tiger has its own area which may cover several kilometers. Tigers mark their area with their urine. And last, a tiger can at once come to know if there is another tiger in its area by the smell of the urine. A tiger will avoid going into another tiger area. These are few questions on tiger. What do you think are some of the dangerous to tigers in the jungle? Repeat again. What do you think are some of the dangers to tigers in the jungle? And the next question: can human beings also be a threat to animals? How? Now the chapter had ended. I have given assignment. Solve those, make notes, and also draw a picture of a tiger. Now it is the time of wind up the class. I will come back again with a new chapter soon. Thank you.